Hey, what's up, folks? John here. I'm at Home Warranty Solutions at homewarrantysolution.com, and I wanted to give you a quick rundown here on some of the deluxe home protection. So as far as heating and cooling, they cover the air conditioning, heating and ductwork. For electrical systems, they cover the main breaker and fuse panel box, doorbells and chimes, interior electrical lines, and DC wiring, smoke detectors, ceiling fans, and central vacuum. For plumbing, they cover interior plumbing line leaks and breaks, plumbing stoppages, toilets, faucets, plumbing and fixtures and valves, Whirlpool tub motor and components, and water heaters. And then for kitchen appliances, they cover refrigerators, range cooktops, ovens, dishwashers, built-in microwaves, freestanding ice makers, and built-in food centers, as well as exhaust vent. For laundry appliances, they cover clothes, washers and dryers, and then for electronics, TVs, desktops and laptops, tablets, printers, home theater systems, smart home products, headphones, and video game consoles, including controllers and more. For pools and hot tub, they cover the pool, sweep, motor and pump motor, blower, and motor and timer, plumbing pipes and wiring, and plumbing and electrical. So please give them a call here at the number on the website, or you can go ahead and submit the form here. Be able to get the free quote. Once again, that's at homewarrantysolution.com. Thanks for watching.